Right guys, you know who it is, and at this point if you even don't know who it is, I can't be mad because yo, I've been away for a long time, and yeah, I guess I'm back, and this time I like to think I was back with a bang because as you can see from the title below, what I've done today, I helped my boy True Kicks on Instagram, and literally I just said to him, yo bro, I need to get back on YouTube, a scissor with a bang though, and he said, yo bro, I got you. That's all he said, yo, I got you. And from the title you can see, man, I went to meet my boy today and it's been crazy. So shout out my man True Kicks for this one, and yeah man, shout out Lewis as well. You've been hitting me up about getting back on YouTube, but yeah, we're here now, and I guess I like to think, yo, we're here to get lit. And yeah man, if you don't know who it is though, it's your boy Adam, and I'm back on YouTube, baby. Let's go. Right guys, welcome back. So you know what we're gonna do today? I'm gonna try a different angle. I don't know, I just been thinking of this, and it might actually work out. So you know what, we're gonna try a different angle today, and on this different angle I'm gonna be as professional as possible, just so, because it's actually a big deal that we're talking about today. I like to think so because of the pricing and whatnot. So I'm gonna show you what's in the box basically. So I guess this is a new thing with the trainer reviews. What's in the box? Let's go. Well guys, as I was saying, we should try something new today. So I'm still here, it's not a picture you're seeing, as you can see. So yeah, this is the box, and it's just easier this way, and it's something new. I got a different angle I'm trying today. So yeah, this is the box, and it has the Jordan logo, basically the Jordan 1 logo, and it just says Air Dior in it because, you know, Jordan and Dior. Well, opening it right into this, so you open it, and literally this is how it came. It was greeted with the what do I call this, a shoe dust bag. So the trainer dust bag, I would like to call it. They give you 2 of those, so 1 for each shoe, I'm guessing. And yeah, quite good quality, I'd like to say. It's literally not printed on, but you can literally feel it. So same logo on this, on both of them. And let's just get on into the shoe. This is me just showing you how, you know, what's in the box, basically, a better way of showing what's in the box. So there we are, just the papers. That's, you know, the usual paper, just the Dior ones. I'm guessing this is what comes in with the B22s as well. So just the Dior papers, and then there you go. That's the shoe that we're here for today, and this is a size 11. I'm going to speak more about the shoe, but I'm just literally showing you what's in the box. So you get 2 trainers, basically 2 pair of shoes, and there you go. As you can see, there you have it. And then also in the box is this. It's a Dior insole, so it literally just says Dior everywhere. As you can see right there. If it's too bright, I'm not too sure. However, there you go. It just says Dior, Dior, Dior where everywhere else. And what's in this bag? 1 second. And yeah, it's got this little dust bag, a very small version, same thing, Air Dior. And inside this, it's got a, oh wow, it's crazy. So it's got this piece inside of it. There you go. You can see that it's got the Jordan, it's got a metal silver looking Jordan badge here. So I'm guessing you can just, you know, put this on the laces of the shoes. Yeah, I'm trying to say, like, just there you go. All right, so that's one thing in one of these things. So in one of these you have the Jordan, the silver Jordan thing that I just showed you, and then moving on to the next one. So without opening it, this is what you can see. It's just laces. It's like white, basically white laces or cream laces, whatever you want to call it. But there you go. It's just white laces in this other bag. Just gonna close that back in, and on to the next one. I'm guessing this would be the Dior signer, but this first time opening it with you. So let's see what we have in this. So I was right, it's basically the same material, the same silver thing. However, this is for the Jordan 1 sign that says Air Dior. So basically this logo in silver. There you go, there you have it. Oh man, thank you. That's about it. Right, so basically that's all that you see in here, and it's got this little styrofoam piece or whatever you call that, and that's it. So it's got insoles, it's got the trainer, it's got these metal bits, and it's got extra lace, which is cream or white or whatever, and then it's got the dust bag. So that's literally what comes in the box, and that's it for the box. So we're gonna go back and sit down and, you know, talk about the trainers. Right, so I hope that was professional. Well, I hope it looked as professional as I could make it look. I'm doing all of this myself right now anyway, so yeah, so I tried, man. Okay, so let's get on into the trainer. Like I said, this is why we're here today. So there we go. Air Jordan Dior, the highs, basically. Those highs and lows in these, as everyone that's clicked on this video knows. If you don't know, then yeah, there was high and the low version of this, and this is the high, and this is a size 11, like I briefly mentioned in the other section of this video, and it's not my size. I'm a size 8, so this ain't my shoe. Like I said to you, I hit up my boy True Kick, so you lot please go follow him, even if it's just comment on the video, on his post or whatever. Just, it's all legit. Like, big man thing is legit, came from Selfridges today. Anyways, talking too much, let's go into this. This is crazy, man. Literally very crazy. I wish I got a pair myself, but sadly I didn't win. So, and I'm not paying 10 grand or 12k or whatever, 15. I even saw 15 on StockX. I'm not paying that for trainers right now anyways. But yeah, so Air Jordan Dior's, talking too much, the high version. Here we are. On this one, first of all, I read up, well, not read up about it, but just from when I signed up and just knowing a little bit about this, it's like Kim Jones, Dior, and Jordan's collabed, and this is the trainer. Just same way that Virgil and Jordan collab and we get some crazy ones, this is the Dior version. And man, I'm just excited. I like Dior as a brand. Right now they're going crazy with the B22s and all them different Jones, crazy colorways and whatnot. I can't even rough handle this too much because, you know, it's quite a lot of money. Like, this is a lot of money. Like, if anything happens to it, catch up or something dumb, yo, it's going crazy. But yeah, so it's just the usual, you know, Jordan 1 silhouette, nothing crazy. Like, it's not like the Travis ones where, you know, the swoosh is the other way around and all that stuff. So it's literally that, and then we got like a gummy sole. You know, the usual like two-tone sole that we get, there's just like a gummy one underneath which holds a Dior sign. So this has the Jordan 1 sign logo that says Air Dior, and the right pair of this has Dior, literally just says Dior on it. I don't know what way it shows Dior, but yeah, Dior, as you saw, or as you're going to see from the B-roll I'm gonna do of this, because I can't do no on-feet reviews sadly, so we're gonna have to miss that one out on this video. Anyway, so it comes with these laces, so like gray laces, because that's the colorway that they're rocking right now. So just basically gray, white, blue, and obviously this Dior patch that we got going on the swoosh. And okay, so something interesting I've just seen, I'm not sure if this is in the UK or worldwide. I like to think worldwide because it's kind of stupid for just the UK. Anyways, 8,500, so 8,500, that's how much pairs was made of this, I'm guessing the high version. So this is 5,949 pair. This is the 5,949 pair that I got in my hands right now. I'm actually so excited, I don't know what I'm talking about. So like I always say, let me just mention this as well, I'm not here to tell you, yo, the stitching is bad or all that type of stuff. Like, if I notice it, then yeah, I'm gonna say that to you, but I don't know, I don't make shoes as of yet anyway. So this is just take it as you see it. Like, literally, it's lit though, so I'm actually excited about these. So right guys, just a quick one to say, if you're enjoying this video, like I don't normally say this, but if you're enjoying this video so far, just make sure you like and subscribe and whatever. Just, you know, it does help motivate me to keep going. And yeah, it's my first video back, so just show me all the love you can, and I guess, yeah, enjoy the rest of the video. And also be sure be sure to follow me on my Instagram as well, at adambiguous. I'll be posting some pictures on there. Well, I'll try anyways. But yeah, enjoy the rest of the video. Yeah, so this is sort of like a, what would I call this? This is like the same texture as, I would like to say, the couch. So it's like an actual, you know, material thing that they've used for the swoosh. So it's not leather or none of that stuff. So the Dior patch is like, it's literally that, it's a patch. So that's what they've done with the swoosh on this amazing shoe right now. And then it's just got the, you know, the usual leather. I like to think of the Jordan 1s are just a bit more smooth, because I can't see too much creases, or maybe that's a good thing, it's not creased yet. And then yeah, the gummy sole, like I mentioned, it's got this logo on it, as you can see, and it's in blue. So the whole creps, what do you think about it really? Like, for me, the hype and everything just takes it all away for me, that yo, I'll actually rock these whatever day I was given this to rock. Do you get what I'm trying to say? So it's that crazy for me. Anyways, back to base. So it does come with grey laces, and as you saw in the box, like I showed in the what's in the box section, it does have white or cream laces, whatever. It looked, yeah, it's basically cream, but whitish cream. It's got charms as well, so little charms that you can hang on the laces, or like in one of the holes, like right there. And so it's got the Jordan 1, and then it's got the, you know, this sign, but literally in silver. So that's what's in the boxes as well. And then that's about it. That's literally it for the shoe. Like it's just very hyped. I like to say that it's literally very hyped. And I understand why it's hyped, because, you know, it's Dior, which is already a big brand, and it's expensive. And retail on these shoes, before I forget, was 1,800. If I'm wrong, correct me, but I know it's 1,800. So, and right now they're going up for like 15k, 10k upwards anyways. So it's quite crazy. If you lot let me know if anyone got a W, just let me know in the comments below. And also, I just wanted to say as well, I'm back, and I'm gonna make a proper video, like, you know, focusing on all this stuff that I'm about to say. However, yo, if you ain't subscribed, subscribe, man. Let's get lit, man. Just give me some motivation, and yeah, let's get the numbers up. And shout out to everyone that's been hitting me up on Instagram, and also to the dude I saw outside. I saw someone outside Five Guys hit me up. He just saw me outside Five Guys and didn't know you knew who I was, but that was lit, man. I got like 200 and something subscribers, and it's lit right now, but let's just run it up. Do you get what I'm trying to say? But anyways, guys, so if you enjoyed that video, I say you leave a like, and, you know, just comment down below, you know, just interact with me. I reply to every comment, as you can see. Like, you know, I don't get that much, so I do reply. And if you didn't like it as well, you know, leave a comment down below. Let me know what's what with what, and we could take it up from there, and, you know, improve and whatnot. So yeah, subscribe to the channel, and I guess your boy Adam is back with a bang, because there's some crazy trainers. And yeah, man, just watch out for more. Bye bye.